What's poppin', guys? Today I'm back with a new video. Today I'm going to make slime, but you don't need the manual because I know it to make it. So there will be 20 ml slime and 1 ml slime. It will be 20 ml versus 1 ml. So guys, let's get started. And I just forgot to say you. Actually, when we make the slime, it will be very sticky. So I have an example for you guys that after making and even for 5 minutes, it becomes very nice. Yeah, yes, nice, right? It will be really sketchy, and if you do like this, it's really sketchy. And never forget to wash your hands after playing with the slime. So let's get started. Here's the glue. First we pour 20 ml. Oh god, guys, it's really hard to press the glue. Yes, we are finished with the glue for 20 ml. And I have this towel where it will be a bit mess. So yeah, now activate it, right? I take first a little bit, then I take the spatula and I pour it and stir it first. As you can see, guys, the slime has been formed. It's started to form, and yeah, we have to stir it for 1 minute. Then again pour activator, and yeah, then we have to knead it with hands. Then leave it for some minutes, and yeah, it will be ready. See, check this out. It's really nice. If you make it with oily clear glue and not add anything, it will be looking very, very transparent if you sketch it. I just show you guys how does it looks. Now a bit more activator. Yes, that is okay. You have to start with 2 drops, then 3 drops, then we will check out what to do. Yes, now this is over to stir it. Now this is activator. This is my hand, which I'm going to mix with. So I pour a bit of activator on my hand to knead it, and then we knead nicely. If I pour a little bit activator on my hands, as you can see, the slime is forming. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, as you can see, guys, it's getting formed. Yes. Now this slime, we keep it in the bowl and we make 1 ml slime so that this slime will be completed and will look awesome when we take it in our hands. So we keep it aside. We wipe our hands. And yeah, now we start with 1 ml slime. Glue. I don't know exact 1 ml. I just check it because 1 ml will be very yes. Yes, that might be 1 ml. I put the activator aside. It can be 1 ml, guys, or yeah, let's check this out. Activator should be very yes, guys, very yes, less than a drop. because it's 1 ml and yeah, we don't want to ruin our slime. Yes, just check this, it's forming. In this we don't have to put more activators afterwards. We just need to mix it a bit and then knead it with our hands. Yes, it's over. Now I knead it with my hands. Yes, as you can see, like this, if you knead it, it will be perfect. And yeah, check this out. It's really sticky. We'll just mix it like this a bit, and yeah, it will be formed. Yes, it's formed, but we need to leave it for some time. As you can see, it's formed, so it is also cleaning the bowl, as you can see. Yes, just check it out. The bowl is almost clean, guys. So we keep the bowl aside. We keep this even aside. This 1 ml aside. We keep it aside. Yes. And now we will look for our 20 ml slime. As you can see, guys, it's ready and it's very stretchy. Still sticky, but yeah. Oh my god, it's really sticky, guys. Just check this out. It's really sticky, but yeah, we have to even make it like a ball, how we did for 1 ml. Yeah, and you have to just take it. As you can see, the whole bowl is clean, all the sides are left, and we keep it aside. Now, yes, we are getting it nice, and yeah, just mix it, not mix it, you have to just make it like a round ball, so it doesn't be nice. You have to keep it mixing it or making it like a round ball. As you can see, we can make even bubbles with this slime and pop it. So that is difficult for now to do. If you know how to do, you can, but it's really difficult sometimes. So yeah, our 20 ml slime is ready. We keep it aside. Yes. Now we take our 1 ml slime. This is really nice. It's really nice, guys. 1 ml slime looks more better. Yes. Oh, you have to roll it. And yeah, the slime is almost ready. We keep this 1 ml. It's ready. Actually, it's ready. And this one 20 ml. And we just keep it aside. Actually, no. As you can see, the 20 ml slime and 1 ml slime is ready. And comment down below, guys, which slime do you like and which slime is more better. I think the 1 ml is more better because 20 ml is a little bit more stickier, and yeah, I think 1 ml is more better, and we can keep that 20 ml slime somewhere, but it's very difficult to keep it in a box like starting. So because it is really sticky and it will stick to your hand so fast. But now it came so fast, and 1 slime also came so fast. So guys, just check this out, both slimes, and just say me which slime do you think is the winner. I think the 1 slime is winner because it is more comfortable and it looks nice, not sticky, better. 20 slime is sticky, that also looks nice. I like 1 slime, guys. Comment down below which slime do you like, and don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon to get my new videos updated every time. So guys, bye bye.